Okay, I don't know about you, but I am so excited about what's in this packaging. Stick around and find out. Okay. Yes. What is this? A little magic bottle, you ask? Ready for the holidays, you say? So again, I am a brand ambassador for the brand How to Be a Redhead. Before I was even involved with them in a brand ambassador relationship, I was a subscriber. I had signed up for their monthly, then their deluxe box, which came out like I think 3-4 times a year. And now they've recently rebranded. And now they came out with a shampoo. I am waiting for months on this. This is their How to Be a Redhead, Finally Classy, Finally Glossy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Man, I've been waiting for this for a long time. I was on their waiting list for this for a while. And this is How to Be a Redhead's Finally Glossy. Indeed. So happy. Now, the logistics of getting in the shower and demonstrating properly how this is used. Yeah, that I cannot, but that's interesting. This is called the gripper. Okay, so this is the bottle. Love it. I thought it was going to be bigger, to be quite honest. This is how many ounces? Let's see. Looks like 8.45 ounces, 250 ml. I was expecting a much bigger bottle. Not exactly jumbo, but definitely something bigger. This is like a nice carry-on in a way. I mean, I think carry-ons are what, 2-3 ounces? This is definitely bigger. But let's see. Okay, it does have a seal. And this is supposed to help refresh your color. See that? Ooh. So definitely will be trying this. Maybe in the videos for the new year, I will be giving my take on this. So exciting. Does it have a scent? I don't notice a scent at all. There's nothing floral, nothing candy-like, nothing flowery. All right. Okay. So there's that. Because some of us are rather sensitive to scents. We don't want fragrances, so I can understand that. Oh, this is so nice. I have a pack of these and I was like, I treasure them because at least I don't see these very often, but look. Bobby pins, colored in various shades of red. So cute, so needed. They think of everything. Ooh, and I have a nice little discount card, $10 off, I guess, on my next purchase. Definitely, because we want to keep us redheads happy. So I'm really thrilled about this. I can't wait to try it. I will be posting a review. I'll use this for the month of January, which is usually around the time when I'm like, I need some extra oomph in my hair or extra color in my life. I'm definitely going to be trying this, and I will post the differences between now and then. But again, this will take a couple of weeks, a couple of washings to figure out whether or not this works. So I'm all here for it. It says shine and luminosity. Ooh, I might even get maybe a glossy, healthy hair look. I don't know. Can't wait to try it out and see if it lives up to its promises on what it can deliver. What about you? Are you a fellow redhead? Do you know a redhead or an honorary redhead? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried How to Be a Redhead? I will post somewhere here the link to my prior How to Be a Redhead videos. Some of them are older. Again, How to Be a Redhead no longer has that subscription like other beauty subscriptions do, but they did reformulate how they are going to present their gifts. I think they're doing something where it's like you could pick the first 3 products of your choice, and then they give the last 2, something like that. Again, I'll post the site here. You're welcome to go check out more about How to Be a Redhead. They were recently, I think last season, on Shark Tank, which is a show here in America, and they presented their product and what their outreach was to be. And I think they ended up pairing with Mark Cuban from the Dallas Mavericks. He's one of the sharks on the show. So I know they're in good hands, and I can't wait to see what else How to Be a Redhead has to offer to its red-haired clientele and the people who love them. It's a great holiday gift, birthday gift, or, I was just thinking about you. It's about time to have something for redheads. Why not? Okay, so that's my take on it. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. Even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. If you want my code in order to get a discount on your first order through How to Be a Redhead, I will post it either somewhere here or in the description. Thank you again so much for joining me on my latest adventure with How to Be a Redhead, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.